Hey guys, good evening. MaryAnn here with you from AutoHaus of Naples, and tonight I have a special SUV for you guys. It is a 2015 Mercedes-Benz GL350 4Matic Blue Tech, and I will tell you guys that undoubtedly I have never seen a diesel GL ever with $28,000 plus of options. So I have the window sticker in my hand, and I'm going to show you guys the window sticker as I move along. However, over $28,000 in options for this car, and typically I don't think we've ever seen that. And it is finished in 040 black, and we do have your keyless entry. I'm going to start by showing you guys the back seats. You can see we have the Diseño leather throughout, and that is going to be the W69 Diseño, and it's your black piano lacquer along with your wood trim, as you can see. And here you can see the nice piping and stitching throughout the whole vehicle. You'll see that throughout all the seats. And we do have your rear entertainment, that's also an option, and the beautiful design of the leather throughout all the doors. We do have your nice running ports here. Again, your keyless entry. We have your keyless go as well. Blind spot assist, lane keep assist, distance assist. That'll help assist the driver. In fact, this car actually parks itself. You can see the panoramic roof, and there, once again, here's your front seat. So this is the one that you're gonna sit in and drive, and you can see it's extremely comfortable. We have heated and ventilated seats. So basically your heated and cold seats, and you do have your multi-contouring seats, massaging seat options. You can see your piano wood grain finish throughout here, and it's your multi-contour steering wheel. We had originally tried to do this video earlier, guys, and it started storming on us, so that's something that I want you to keep in mind, because you will probably see a little bit of blemishes. We've had to wipe it down after our detailers had already detailed this vehicle. We do have the lighting system as well, and that's going to be where it adapts whenever you turn the vehicle. This is your Distronic Plus. Like I always say, anytime you see a filled-in Mercedes-Benz star, you know that it's going to keep the distance between you and the person in front of you. And here, just like this is literally because of the rag. So it looks nice and beautiful with the rag. Unfortunately, or the chamois, unfortunately gives it that look because we just wiped it down. Under the hood, we have a 3-liter V6 turbo diesel engine. It produces 240 horsepower and a massive 455 foot-pounds of torque. It is connected to a 7-speed automatic transmission with your paddle shift options, as I will show you on the test drive. And over here on the wheels, we have 20-inch wheels. This is actually an upgraded option. You can see the Mercedes-Benz wheels, your nice tires, once again, your running ports. I mentioned your blind spot assist. As you can see, anytime you see the triangle, that's indicative of your blind spot assist. And here, once again, you can see the interior with the beautiful design throughout the Diseño. Really gives it such a nice look. We do have soft closed doors as well, and here in the back, this is a 7-seater vehicle, so all I have to do is push right here, and it is going to work itself for us. Nobody has to work to go ahead and get in the back seats, and in fact the passenger seat just then went up automatically, and you can see the Diseño leather is all the way throughout in all 7 seats, and it is undoubtedly a nice feature. And once again, I did say it's Blue Tech, that means it's diesel. I've never seen a diesel ever with these options. You have your parking sensors, your trailer hitch, you have your chrome appearance package, your backup cameras, 360 cameras. All I do is push the button, this lifts up for us. Even with all 7 seats up, we have plenty of room. You always have the option of putting down a seat or 2, whatever works best for you. And this way you can load more items in, and in fact you can place all those seats up as well and load in basically anything you needed to do or load into the car. You even have your first aid kit, and I will take it out on a test drive, but before I do that, I'm going to show you the window sticker I have been selfishly holding from you guys. And so you can see the suggested retail price was originally $63,600. However, with all these options, you can see the original MSRP was $91,845. And we do have the P1 package, we have the lighting package, the appearance package, accessory chrome package, the parking assist package, driver assist package, the Designo, that's also an upgrade. I could go on and on, but this has really set itself apart from all the other GLs I've ever seen, and especially one that is a diesel and a 4Matic. So I will take it out for you guys and show you how it works. All right. I did mention this is a keyless entry and a keyless go, so you push the start button. You can see there are no warning lights, and there's only 50,967 miles on it. And here I'm going to show you guys, you have this with the multi-function steering wheel. You can go through your navigation, your radio, your telephone. There's your pre-safe, brake, attention assist, blind spot assist, lane keep assist, and it continues to move on. Obviously, like I said, 0 messages. Everything is proper on this car, and even the instrument cluster, lighting, vehicle convenience, all of that is going to be an option to you. I'm actually in drive, but you can see the 360 camera. I didn't have to put it into reverse to show you guys this because it is a shortcut button on the command center. And once I move out of this, you guys will see here's the 360 camera. So if you just want to, you know, say you want to go up to navigation, down here is where I'm working the buttons. You press down for the navigation, and there it is on the screen. There you can press the start button. It's going to take you to your home screen there, and you can actually go to your seats as well, and your so you can change the seat settings. Again, we do have the massage seating, and again, here's your 360 camera. So all I have to do is press down on the button in which I showed you guys, and you can see all the way around this vehicle. That's a huge option. The Panamera roof, you've got the full leather, Designo leather dash there. You've got your parking sensors in the front, your parking sensors in the back, clearly a backup camera, of course, as if you guys didn't know that. And I'm going to show you guys the Alcantara Headliner. So you've got your suede headliner, the beautiful Panamera roof, which I showed you also on the walk-arounds. You have your heated, your cooled seats. These are also going to be your shortcut buttons. So if you wanted to go to your radio, you just do it by clicking here. If you wanted to have a disc into the CD player, navigation, your Bluetooth, you can obviously mute it here. You can also mute it just by the steering wheel alone. So if you were to be able to talk to somebody in the car, you want to press mute on the radio or the phone call. It's very simple to do that as well. And you do have your XM radio. You do also have apps options. So and of course your you can play your Bluetooth and your media as well. There's your apps, as I mentioned. Also, we do have the entertainment center in the back, or system in the back, and that is an option as well. So let's see. Oh, and 22 miles is going to be your average miles or per gallon, and that is a lot of mileage. That's going to be your average of both the city and the highway. And these are actually heated and cooled cup holders. So if you just push here, it's a cool, you can see maybe the blue light right there. And then if you push it again, this is going to heat up. So if you have coffee or any type of beverage that needs to be warmed, you make sure it's in the red zone. And then if you want something to stay cool, you put it in the cool zone, and it actually keeps your drink cold. You can see here the piano finish is still very proper. You have your dual air conditioning, nice storage in there in the center console that keeps everything from just going into one big uncomfortable place. It's you know, set apart separately, and that's always nice. You have your memory 1, 2, and 3. In fact, you have your memory seats for the passenger as well. So the most popular passengers in the vehicle are possible to set those memory seatings, and this way every time they are comfortable whenever they sit down. You do have the parking assist. It basically parks itself, and I'm going to show you guys how a diesel can run even with all, you know, this big, a GL 7-passenger, and let's do it, right?
I'm ready.
Are you ready? I don't know if he really is ready, but also the Harman Kardon stereo as well. It sounds awesome whenever you're driving, so let's move. Woo! Nice. So it's got plenty of pickup for whoever's driving. If you need to get over really quickly, you're at a stoplight and you need to cross over 3 lanes, this car has enough pickup for you to do that. I know I mentioned your massage seating as well. You can see those options are right there. And you guys, if you're interested, give us a call. I know some of you really just prefer diesels, and some of you have to have a 7-passenger or at least the room. So it's 239-263-8500. And you can see the full listing to this car at AutoHausNaples.com. And again, my name's MaryAnn, and I will see you guys on the next one.